The multi-time frame MACD bars indicator is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, Balco, and run it at once on the chart. Traders can also visit this page to learn how the indicator works. We select the encoder file from the navigator section and run the encoder by clicking on the file on the keyboard. Just make sure to activate this skin and tick from the common section, then click the confirm option. Once the indicator is applied to the chart, a histogram window will be displayed at the bottom of the chart. The multi-time frame MACD bars indicator is an advanced and detailed version of the MACD indicator that displays information about the MACD status in the form of a histogram to traders and can be used on the chart in the form of a multi-time frame to display information on different time frames. Let's have an active discussion. To better understand, I'm going to place the classic MACD version on the chart. When the MACD is above its signal line, the histogram bars are displayed in light green, and when the MACD is above the zero line, the histogram bars appear in dark green. When MACD is below the level of the Q, the bars are orange. And if a market falls below its signal line, red bars will be displayed on the oscillator to traders. Traders can easily do their own analysis using this indicator so that here we were in a new round. After that, we are given confirmation and the MACD is above the Q level and above its signal line, which is a confirmation for a new round. Also, here, the MACD round ends, and after that, the indicator moves below the zero level and is below its signal line, which gives us a bearish trend signal, after which we see that the price has made a downward movement. In the settings section, in the input section, there are several options available for us. In the first section, you can select the time frame for the MACD, which is set to current by default. This means that, regardless of the time frame you are on, the MACD histogram will display the same time frame. If you choose different time frames, for example, I will select the 15-minute time frame here. In any time frame you choose, the MACD will only show you the 15-minute time frame, allowing traders to perform their analyses in a multi-time frame auditor manner. In the next sections of the settings, you can select the value of the fast-moving average and make changes to it. You can change the settings for the period, uno of the slow-moving average, and finally the period of the signal line in this section. In the last section, you can also choose the number of candles to display the histogram, which is set to 500 candles by default. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you could share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.